Hi guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng pilau rice. Pilau rice originated from India, but this recipe was shared by my friend from Mauritius. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa natin itong 2 pieces ng onion. Kukontinue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa mag-caramelize yung ating onion. Once in a while, halu-haluin lang natin para hindi masusunog. And then after about 10 minutes na caramelize na yung ating onion, pwede na natin i-add yung half piece ng cinnamon stick. Add na rin natin yung 1 teaspoon ng cumin seeds. Add na rin natin yung 5 cardamon pods. Dagdag na rin natin yung half a tablespoon ng turmeric powder. At hahaluin natin ito maigi. Continue lang natin ang paggisa for about 2 to 3 minutes para lang mag-infuse yung flavors ng ating spices. After the 3 minutes ng pagigisa, pwede na natin ilagay yung 4 to 5 cups ng cooked rice. Mas maganda kung ang gagamitin nyo yung basmati rice. Pero kung walang basmati rice, pwede na rin yung long grain. Isiseason na rin natin to ng pepper to taste at salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Then, haluin natin to. At kukontinue natin ang pagsasangag for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer na isangag nyo, mas masarap ang kalalabasan. And then after 15 minutes, pwede na natin i-turn off yung heat at ilalagay na natin itong half a cup ng coriander leaves. And then mix it well. Tamang-tama na yung heat ng fried rice para maluto yung ating coriander. And there you have it, our pilau rice, best served with chicken curry. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayo updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.